Hey there, everyone. Ever wondered how barbershops turn a pair of clippers into a steady stream of cash? It's not just about cutting hair. It's about clever moves that make money, and we've got fun money facts for kids, teens, and adults to share. Welcome to Profit Unveiled, where we bring business to life with a buzz. So come on in and grab a seat. This one's a fresh take on how barbershops cash in. Imagine walking into a lively barbershop, the hum of clippers filling the air. For $20, you get a basic trim, a great deal that keeps those chairs full. That's their starting point, keeping it affordable so everyone from kids to grandparents stops by. But here's where they sharpen their edge. They don't just offer one cut. They've got fades for $25 and kids cuts at $15, mixing up their services to pull in all kinds of customers. By offering variety, they're boosting sales from every angle, keeping the cash flowing strong. Barbershop humming? Fades cost $25, kids cuts $15. They mix styles for all, filling seats and wallets with that clever twist. Now let's talk about how they're stepping into the future with a modern twist. They've got free booking apps that make sure no chair sits empty. Pretty smart, right? Those online slots fill up fast, cutting downtime so barbers can pack in more cuts without extra effort. And while you're in the chair, they might suggest a $10 beard oil that costs them under $1 to make. It's all about building trust. When you like how it looks, you buy it, and they turn happy clients into walking billboards, lifting revenue without a big push. Of course, they still welcome walk-ins at $20. It keeps that classic barbershop vibe alive and the door swinging. But here's where they get clever. They add $5 surcharges for appointments and $10 for cancellations. Why do that? It's simple. They're making sure every minute counts, turning no-shows into extra cash instead of lost time. And then there's the community angle. They offer $30 classes to teach teens how to cut hair. It's a brilliant move, building local love and bringing in future customers who'll keep the shop thriving for years. Apps lock bookings for free. Barbers cut empty seats, boosting cash with that sharp digital edge. And they're not stopping there. They partner with local gyms to offer shave discounts, tapping into new crowds without breaking a sweat. Barbershops don't just cut hair. They craft profits we all enjoy. Want to start your own? Mix services to grow sales, use tech to save time, and connect with your town. Your shop could cash in big. Next time you get a trim, you'll spot their smarts and maybe launch your own. Love these money facts? Subscribe. We're cutting business lessons weekly.